Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. In this video, I'm going to share a surprising discovery from my garden. If you're a gardener, you know how much love, attention, and hard work it takes to grow a healthy produce in our gardens. While our attention is often on domesticated plants, we often overlook the wild ones. Purslane is a common weed, especially here in Southern California. It is very nutritious because it contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. It also has a lot of vitamin A and C, and it's rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. But the best thing is it grows on its own and it's very drought resilient. This plant is commonly used as food in Mexico, and as a matter of fact, I learned about it from my gardener. He used to pull the bags full of this plant and take it home. And when I asked him what he was going to do with it, he said he will cook it and eat it. And that's how I got interested in this plant and found out that in fact it is a great food to add to your diet. I've been fighting this weed for quite a long time, thinking that it was a weed. But now that I know that it's edible and that it's actually rich in nutrition, I've been implementing it into our cooking. And I like it. If you have the herb just as fresh as it is, you'll notice that it has lots of flavor, and in particular, it has salt in it. It is salty, so it kind of comes as already spiced. But I'm going to do some more research about its nutritional value, and I'll share it with you. And obviously, we're going to try to create a recipe out of this and see how it turns out in soup. I'm going to try to make a soup out of it in this rich homemade beef broth. The plant itself tastes like a crossover between spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, and maybe a little bit of cabbage. So I'm just thinking that it would be good in soup, and I will also add some of these homegrown onions. So let's see how it turns out. Every time you make soups like this with a lot of greens, the key component is rich broth. If you follow my YouTube channel, you might have seen how to make a very good broth and freeze it and have it for occasions like these. 5 minutes into cooking, I'm going to add these scallions, and all that's left to do is to spice it per your taste. Me personally, I use some fish sauce, I use some roasted sesame oil, salt and pepper, and I also added some roasted pepper flakes. In all honesty, I was surprised how delicious this turned out. The dish did not look that appetizing, but the flavor, it was all there. And obviously, now that I know how nutritious it is, I will continue to harvest it from my garden. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Vlada Vladik, and my channel is here to share whatever I know about the healthier and more natural way of living. If your journey takes you on a simpler and more natural way of living, I believe you would enjoy our YouTube channel. So join us for future recipes, ideas, and tips as I share what I know about the healthier and more natural lifestyle. For more information about me and my work, visit vladav.com.